I'm here with my MyMini skillet and I found the perfect cast iron pan for it. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So I recently purchased this MyMini skillet and noodle cooker from Walmart, and I've been using it for weeks now. I love this mini appliance. It only uses 260 watts, so it's very economical when it comes to power consumption. And I've been testing out several different little pots and pans that I can use with this as alternatives to the non-stick little pot that comes with this. And I was doing some research online the other day, and I found out that this little Lodge cast iron skillet fits perfectly. This is a 5-inch cast iron skillet. So here's the MyMini appliance, and let's put the skillet in. Look at that. Look at that. It's like they're made for each other. It's such a perfect fit. As you can see, I still have the label on this skillet. I have not used it yet. I just wanted to make sure I left the label on for the video. It says Lodge cast iron seasoned mini cast iron skillet, 5 inches, 12.7 centimeters, and it says I love to cook and serve, made in Tennessee since 1896. So I looked this up online to see where I could purchase it, and it is available on Amazon. I will put a link to this product on Amazon in the description below this video, and also as a pinned comment, and I'll add it to the Counter Cooking Amazon store. However, I wanted to see if I could buy it locally just because I really like supporting local businesses. And the only store around me that carried this was Crate & Barrel. So I went to Crate & Barrel and they sell this for $12.99, I believe. So it was cheaper in Crate & Barrel than it was on Amazon. And I was happy to support a local retailer. And so now I can't wait to use this. So I'm going to remove the sticker and I'm going to wash this, rinse it out, and then let's give it a try. I just plugged in the MyMini skillet. It's heating up right now. When I think of cast iron skillets, I often think of bacon, and I have this Applegate Naturals hickory smoked no sugar uncured bacon. So let's try cooking some bacon in this little skillet. So I just cut this piece of bacon up into like thirds. This is a really small skillet, but as you can see, it will fit a piece of bacon if you cut it up. Now here is the cover that comes with the MyMini skillet, and it loosely fits on the cast iron skillet. So I'm just going to put it there in case there's splatter, and I'm going to let this cook for like 5 minutes. It has been 5 minutes, so let's see where we're at. The bacon is cooking. It's still like really not done though. I just want to turn each piece over. Okay. I'm going to let it continue to cook. It's been another 5 minutes. I'm really getting a wonderful aroma of bacon. But we are far from done, so let's put the cover back on. It's been another 5 minutes. Let's check on the bacon. Starting to cook down. So I think it's been 15 minutes now in total. I'm going to let this go another 5 minutes. Definitely putting the cover back on so it doesn't splatter. Let's check on the bacon. I forgot to set the last 5-minute timer, so I don't know how long it's been. I'm going to say this bacon is done because I think it looks good. Let's take the bacon out. I still have the bacon grease left in the skillet, so let's fry up an egg. Let's put the cover on. It's been a little bit more than 4 minutes now, so let's check on this egg. And that's what's going on. I did not have to flip it or anything. When you cook it with the cover on, even the top cooks nicely. Let's see. Is this done? Yeah, this looks done. It's really slippery because of all the bacon grease. And now I have a slice of brown bread. This is Boston brown bread. You can buy this in a can. I bought this at Walmart. They sell it in a can. It's B&M brown bread. It's the same company that makes like B&M baked beans. And if you've never had this product before, it kind of tastes like a sweet molasses cake. That's what it reminds me of. It's definitely sweeter than typical bread. And the texture is a little bit different because when it's cooked, it's steamed instead of baked. So I'm just going to fry this in the frying pan just to maybe heat it up a little bit and crisp it up a little bit on the outside of it. Okay, it's been a few minutes now and I'm starting to get really impatient because I want to eat this. I don't know if the other side got crispy, but it definitely looks like it absorbed a whole bunch of the bacon grease. I feel like I don't want to put the cover on because if I do, then it's not going to get as crispy as it would without the cover on because there's a lot of moisture in this bread. One thing I do wish is that there was some kind of temperature control on this MyMini skillet so we could kind of increase the temperature or lower the temperature as it is. You know, it's just one temperature. We can't adjust it at all. Okay, it's been another few minutes. I'm going to say this is done. Good enough, right? Here's my breakfast. I have a fried egg on top of some Boston brown bread and a slice of bacon. Let's just cut into this and see what's going on here. Okay, the egg is nicely cooked. It's not runny. Sometimes I like it runny. Sometimes I like it not runny. Sometimes I like it in between. That's good, but the bread is really sweet. So I'm just going to add a little bit of hot sauce to the top. And a pinch of salt, just because the bread is so sweet. Really good with something that contrasts with the sweetness. Let's try a piece of this bacon. And this came out really nice. It's crispy, but not like burnt. And so this was just a really simple demonstration of how you can use this large 5-inch cast iron skillet in this nostalgia MyMini skillet. And I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make with this mini appliance. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.